Bonjour, welcome back to the table. Today we will be going to France and we will be making a quiche with caramelized pears, bacon and Gruyere cheese. And we'll be serving it next to a nice refreshing salad. And let's get to it. And we'll pull this wonderful olive oil. The crust is so important. That's what makes a quiche. We'll add the water. You want it to stick in your hand, but not to stick to just fall off your hand. And we are going to add more water to make that dough perfect and smooth. And just to keep working that dough. You want to be really gentle because this is the magic piece. We don't want to break that after all your hard work. Now we are pouring the black beans, and that helps preventing the dough from rising. Nice and crispy. It's perfect to go in the quiche. We'll whisk this. And that will be our mixture for the quiche. Look at that quiche. Does that look amazing or what? This is what we do Europa Table. And look at this. This is as good as it gets. I cannot wait for you to try it. And voila. Et voila. Thanks again for joining us on this trip to France. I hope you enjoyed this Europa Table box with friends and family. Chin chin.